Hey everyone, just Kente here. Yeah, just Kente here, you guys. I guess I'm gonna be listening to music. I'm not sure who I'm gonna be listening to here today, but I'm not sure who I'm gonna be listening to here today, but I'm probably gonna be listening to Shinedown. I'm probably gonna be listening to Shinedown, I guess, today. So, yeah, I'm just gonna be listening to music, I guess. Today, nice one. You guys know what I'm gonna be doing here today. So, anyways, but other than that, I might be playing video games if I'm not listening to music, so. Or I might be on the computer doing stuff, listening to music on the computer. So, or I might be looking at plow trucks. So, yeah, I'm just gonna be. So I guess I'm just gonna be listening. I guess I'm gonna be listening to Shinedown and gonna be looking at plow trucks today, I guess. So, yeah, anyways, I just want to let you guys know what I'm gonna be doing here today. I'm just gonna be listening to music and look at plow trucks. So, anyways, I just want to let you guys know, and I'll talk to you guys next time, alright? Alright, see ya.